64% of Americans suffer holiday blues.
And more kids and teenagers are seeking mental health services, especially in the winter.
There are ways to mitigate this. Joining us now is the President and Chief Medical Officer of Bend Health, a mental health service for kids, teens, and families, Psychiatrist Monika Roots. Monika, thanks for being with us today.
Hi, Dr. Roots. Good to see you.
So great to see you. Thanks for having me.
So what are some tips for fighting off the holiday blues?
There are many ways that we can do this, and a lot is actually being very family focused. So parents can do a lot to help their kids and teens. If we're thinking about kids, the first piece is routine. Especially around the time of the holidays, bedtimes might start to be a little bit off, or meal times. The best that you can, if you can keep a kid's routine as close as possible to what they're used to, that'll help a lot. And then when it comes to teens, involve them. Respect that they probably want to spend a little bit of time with their friends. So schedule that in so they can have their own friend celebrations, yet it's not really impeding on the family traditions.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then, of course, remember that time is a family.
Yeah.
Do you think electronics are playing a role in depression and anxiety with kids and teenagers?
Well, for one, they're very distracting. If we think about a cell phone or maybe an Apple Watch, it's a little like a slot machine at Vegas. It's constantly priming you to look at it. And what happens? You kind of lose a focus on the people around you and what might be happening and start to get a bit more disengaged. So I usually think of Thanksgiving and meal times as an opportunity to take an electronic holiday. Try to put them in another room, silence them, even the Apple Watch. I'm going to say it again because that buzzing really can distract you. So it's really an opportunity to be there, to focus on each other, and really enjoy each other's company.
How do you do that, though?
Yeah,
Kids are so reluctant to give up their phones.
And the irony is the phone's probably on their list.
Yeah, that's true.
So true. I think thinking about it as explaining to them the purpose. Asking them, hey, just 20 minutes, can we put it in the other part of the room? I want to hear about you. How's your life? How's your day? Seem very interested. Many times we are so busy with our hustle and bustle of the day that even teens and kids think, I don't know if they really even care because they're on their phone when I'm trying to talk to them. So scheduling that time in 20 minutes that you're going to spend a meal together, no electronics, to really focus on each other and really hear what people are wanting to do is a really an appropriate time. And I always like to play at the table Roses and Thorns, where everybody goes around and says one thing that they're really happy or grateful for that happened that day, and one thorn that's maybe something that they can try to change. See it as an opportunity for the thing that maybe didn't work out so well to really be an opportunity for change and improvement.
Especially now with Thanksgiving, you can talk about things you're thankful for, too.
And it doesn't hurt to reach out for help if you need it. And that's where you come in.
Yes, at Bend Health, we are here to really help teens, kids, but really a family experience. We can help with mental health techniques. We can also help with parenting. So if you have a young kid who doesn't want to sleep in their own bed by themselves, we can help there too. But we can help all the way up through kids who may be having depression or anxiety or a trauma experience. We're really here to help and really bring that family unit together as best as we can.
It's all done online. It's great. You can learn more about Monika's website at bendhealth.com. It's free for the first month and 50% off thereafter. And I guess you got a promo code also, 48 hours for a little discount there.
Doctor, great to see you. Thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family.
For you too. Thanks so much.
Thanks for your time.